This is a 2012 Chevy Cruse, and we are replacing the cabin air filter. First thing we have to do is open the glove box. And there is a tether on the box. Right here you'll see it. In the cable like that. And just let it go through the hole. Okay, she's all loose, and once it's loose like that, look at that, it comes right off the glove box. Let's see, it's got a couple of hooks on both sides, and you can see where the hooks go in there and over there. Okay, so we got the glove box out of the way, and if we look underneath there, we can see the door to the cabin air filter. Now we have to hinge the cover down on the filter cover. There's a little latch here on the right, and I'm push that over to the side, and then up on top here is another latch we can get with our screwdriver and lift up on it. And once we do that, we can open the cover. Now that filter is a little bit tight to remove by our fingers, so I'm going to use my hook tool here to grab it, start it. There we go. Now we can get it. And here comes the filter, and there it is. She's all out. Now to replace the filter, let me just reverse our steps from here. Slide our filter in, latch the door. Okay, it's all latched. Now we got to put the glove box back on. Engage that one piece on the glove box and engage this one over here. Now we got to put that tether back on. Okay, let's push the tether in. Alright, there's the tether, it's all in. Had to use two hands to pull that in. So, once you get that back in place, everything is back together. So that's all there is to replacing a cabin air filter on your Chevy Cruse.